Hi everyone. Today we are unboxing two exciting new scanners from Shining3D from the Einstar series, Einstar 2 and Einstar Rockit. Let's begin with Einstar 2. It comes in a compact box. So in the box you see right on top the Einstar 2 scanner itself. On the back of the scanner you see the battery compartment, and you also have two rechargeable batteries which you can charge with this included battery charger. Plus you can also charge it with the USB charger, and included is also the USB cable. And here on the top you have the calibration board itself, and the calibration stand for the calibration board. In here you also get the markers. Now let's move on to Einstar Rockit. As you can see, here you get the same things as Einstar 2, the USB cable, the USB charger, the rechargeable batteries, calibration stand, battery charger, and the scanner itself, Einstar Rockit. And on the top you get the calibration board, and the markers. So here you see everything unpacked. From the left, calibration board, the USB-C cables, the scanners itself, the markers, the USB-C adapter, the rechargeable batteries, calibration stand, the battery charger, and you also get a shoulder strap for security of your scanner. So when you get your scanners, you get everything ready to go. Thanks for watching.